Whoa, what up? What's happening? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now you can see we have the green and white box. You got the large Puma logo on the top. On the side, you got the smaller Puma logo. This side, Puma logo. And on the other longer side, you have a smaller Puma logo. Okay, so what we have today is the RSX Toys Junior. And the colorway is Puma Black and Bright Peach. So we ain't gonna dwell too much on the box, man. Let's go ahead and get into the kicks, man. Here it is, the RSX Toys Junior. Now, I'm gonna be honest, man. This silhouette that Puma has right now, man, I think they need to take it, run with it. I think they own to something. As long as they keep coming with some dope colors, I think this would be a win for them, man. Now, it does have that little bit of a dad shoe vibe, but not really. You know what I mean? So, let me know what y'all think, man. We're going to take a good look at it. We're going to hurry up and get out of here, man, because I got to get ready for this game. It's all about them who-dats. You hear me? But looking at the bottom, you see you got the light peach, you got the black, you got the white, all throughout the outsole. On the tag right here, little rubber tag, you have the Puma logo. Let me make it focus. Puma logo with running system on it. Now they have running system printed all over the shoe. Well, not all over, but a few times. As you can see right here, RS running system. It's dope. Now this is not my favorite colorway, but it's still dope, man. Now this pair is for my daughter, so y'all already know how that goes, man. As I look at the tongue, you got the RSX for running system. See the running system on the tongue. It's dope, man. There's the medial side. There's the back. See the little pull tab on the back. I don't know how that'll hold up over time, but we shall see. I'm kind of rushing through this, man, because I got to get to this. Like I said, I got to get ready for this game, man. It is what it is, man. Now looking at the other shoe, you can already see what's happening with it. Everything's the same between the two shoes. You got that nice nubuck on the front. You got the combination of mesh, you got rubber, you got some nubuck, you got a little bit of plastic. Hey man, it's dope, man. That's my thoughts on it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's a dope shoe. The whole silhouette, I think they're killing it with this one. Now, how will people gravitate to it? I don't know. But we have yet to see. There's a look at the insole. You see the running system tag on the inside. Pretty self-explanatory, man. Like I said, I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about it, man. Now, me personally, like I said, I'm not a fan of this colorway, at least not for myself. Like I said, this pair is for my daughter, so she'll be satisfied, you know. But the silhouette as a whole, I'm feeling it. I think it's dope. I think it's hot. I think they own something, man. So, Puma, if you're listening, man, keep it coming, man. Come on with some dope colorways, man. And these things should fly off the shelves, man. Should be a hot item, man. Here's a different look at it under some different lighting. Hopefully give you a better view. And that's about it, man. You know, so that was my look at the Puma RSX Toys Junior in the Puma Black and Light Peach colorway. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holler back.